So who loves lobster? I know that I do, and this is one of my favorite ways to prepare lobster. We're gonna do some lobster rolls. You can do it both cold and warm. We have both recipes on our website, but I'm gonna make cold lobster rolls for you. So here we go. Gonna add a dash of hot sauce, half of a teaspoon of salt. Got some celery here. Need 1 tablespoon of celery. And we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, we gotta get some green onion, a 1/4 cup of green onion. Okay, let's see if that's a 1/4 cup here. Looks like I need a little bit more. Still a little shy, so it's gonna be a little bit more. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna have to get a 1/2 cup of mayo. So let's make some lobster rolls. We have some North Atlantic lobster meat, got lemon juice, hot sauce, mayonnaise, chopped celery, salt, and green onions. So lemon juice here. Got the celery, green onions, the mayonnaise, a little bit of hot sauce, and salt. The lemon juice just smells really, really good. Calls for 1 dash of hot sauce. I don't feel like I got quite a dash in there from the ramekin, so I'm gonna go ahead and add another little dash here. Okay, and then you add your lobster meat. This is a claw and knuckle meat, North Atlantic lobster tail meat that we sell. It's really, really, really good. You can just eat it straight, add it to salads, really yummy. Rather than dumping the whole thing in there though, I do like to pull it with my hands because there's usually a little moisture in the bag when you thaw it out. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Takes probably about a minute, I feel, to really get it all evenly coated. And you should be smelling, lemon juice, lobster. Smell really, really yummy, almost like a salad. Okay. All we have to do still is just put these now in a bun. This is 2 pounds of lobster meat. 2 pounds goes a long ways. It's quite a bit of meat. So depending on the size of the bun that you have, I think you can get 6 to 8 rolls off of 2 pounds. I wish you guys could smell it. This is just amazing. Make sure you have a napkin though when you eat them, because they are overfilling with lobster meat. So there you have it. You have a New England lobster roll. I really enjoy this one, especially on a nice summer day.